Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook Calendar. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to sync your ClickUp tasks directly with your Outlook calendar, ensuring that all your deadlines and project milestones are visible in one centralized place. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your ClickUp account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want this calendar integration to be active, as this will determine which tasks and projects get synced to your Outlook calendar. After logging in, you'll land on your ClickUp workspace. Direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll see various navigation options. Look for and click on More. This will expand additional options that aren't immediately visible in the main menu. From the expanded menu, click on Apps. This section houses all the available integrations and third-party applications that ClickUp supports, allowing you to connect your workspace with other tools you use daily. Now you'll see a variety of app integration options displayed on your screen. Browse through or use the search function to find Outlook Calendar. Once you locate it, click on Outlook Calendar to open its integration page. Here you'll find details about what the integration does and how it can benefit your workflow. To proceed with connecting your accounts, click the Connect button. This initiates the authorization process between ClickUp and your Microsoft account. At this point, you'll be redirected to a Microsoft login page. This is where you need to log into your Microsoft account, the one that's linked to your Outlook calendar. Enter your email address and password carefully. This step is essential because it grants ClickUp the necessary permissions to access and sync your calendar data. Microsoft takes security seriously, so you might also need to complete any two-factor authentication if you have it enabled on your account. Once you've successfully logged in and granted the required permissions, you'll be taken back to ClickUp. Simply click the Next button to finalize the integration setup. Your ClickUp tasks will now begin syncing with your Outlook calendar, giving you a seamless view of your schedule across both platforms. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook Calendar, making it much easier to manage your time and stay on top of your tasks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.